Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. I'm also doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So I am Hey Boy Me Marpet, and today I have come here for morning walk and body stretching. As you can see behind me, there is a playground, and this is a Lapangap playground. When I was a child, I used to practice football here every evening. And you know, when there is a tournament here, uh, I'm the one who got best player. And if you are not agree with that, you can ask from the villagers here. Uh, One more thing that I want to tell you, when I play football during my childhood, uh, every boys and girl looking at me. They look at me not for my score and skills. They look at me because I'm a handsome boy. Uh, anyway, I'm a little bit nervous because today I have come here first time for making video purpose. I don't know what are you thinking about me, and I'm not thinking about anything. I don't care. Because I'm not doing any bad word, using any bad word. I'm just making video like this, and I'm just trying to uh, improve myself and trying to enhance my spoken English skills. So that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.